In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subpage on Google Sites fast and easy. Creating a subpage is a straightforward process that can enhance your site's navigation and help organize your content effectively. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user of Google Sites, this guide will take you through the process step by step. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. If you're not familiar with where to find it, you can easily do a quick Google search to locate it and log in using your account credentials. Once you're in, you should see a list of your existing sites. Open the site where you want to add a subpage. This will bring you to your site's main editing dashboard, where you have access to all the tools you need for customization. Once your site is open, navigate to the page selection area. You'll find it as part of the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the page you want to create a subpage under. It's important to have the main page selected because this is where your subpage will be nested. With your page selected, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Pages panel. This is where you manage all the different pages and subpages within your Google site. Look towards the bottom of this panel, and you'll notice a small plus symbol. This is your Add Page button. Click it to initiate adding a new page. Once you click the plus button, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new page. This is purely for organizational purposes at this point. So choose a name that clearly conveys the content or function of your new page. After entering the name, confirm it by clicking Done. Now that you've created your new page, it's time to make it a subpage. Go back to the Pages panel, where you'll see the newly created page listed. To the right of this listing, there will be a small menu indicated by 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on these dots. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Add Subpage. Select this option. Just like before, you'll be asked to enter a name for your subpage. The name should again reflect the specific content or purpose of this subpage, enhancing the navigation for anyone using your site. Finally, once you've entered the name, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subpage to your Google site. This method is not only fast, but also ensures that your site remains organized, making it easier for users to navigate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.